morning students. Today we are going to see questions of exercise 3.2. So the first question is, the scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students are as follows. So there are total 25 students, out of which 15 student marks are given. These are the marks, okay. Find the mode and the median. Now what do you mean by mode? The number which repeats maximum time. Now as you can see here in this list, the number which will repeat maximum numbers of time, that is called as the mode. So how to find mode? Now see, scores of 15 students in mathematics test. These are the scores. Now we'll arrange these scores in the ascending order. That means these all numbers will arrange from smaller to bigger. Okay. So we have arranged from smaller to bigger. Now mode of a given data is that value of observation which occur for the most number of times. Median of a given data is the middle observation when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order. So mode. Now you can see from this list of numbers which number is coming maximum number of times. 20. See 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. 20 is coming 4 times, so mode will be 20. Okay, the number which repeats maximum time, that is called as the mode. So mode is how much? Mode is 20. Now mean is the middlemost number, so you can see their total number are 15. Okay, so what we'll do, we will add 1. 15 plus 1, that is 16, and then we'll divide by 2. How to find the median? See, total number is 15 na, so 15 plus 1 divided by 2. So how much you'll get? 16 by 2. 16 by 2 means 8. So 8 number. So 8 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 number is also 20. So median will be also 20. Got it clear? Question number 2. It is same. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. These are the runs scored. Find the mean, mode and median. So mean, as I told you, what we'll do? We'll add all these numbers divided by how many numbers are there. So you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So add all these numbers divided by 11. You will get the mean. Okay. Now comes mode. Okay. Now you see here. So you got it clear? So what will do? How will get the mean? So this all numbers, na? So mean means all numbers divided by 11. So if you divide, you will get 39. Now mode, how will find the mode? We will arrange the number in ascending order. Now as total numbers 11, so 11 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 12 by 2, 6. So sixth number will be the median. Okay, and mode, which the number which repeat maximum times. You can see here 15 is coming 3 times. So mode will be 15. Question number 3 is also same. Data is given. Find the mode and median. Is there more than one mode? So how many modes are there? So if you solve it, you will get 2 modes, because 30 is also coming 2 times. 38 also coming 3 times, 43 also coming 3 times. So there are two modes, that is 38 and 43. Question number 4 also same, find the mode and median, all can do. So remember how to find the mode. The number which repeat maximum number of times, that is called as the mode. And median, what you will do, you will arrange from ascending order. Then after arranging, if the number is even, then directly divide by 2. If the number is odd, like 9, then we have to do 9 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 5. Like that we have to do. Okay, question number 5. Tell whether the statement is true or false. The mode is always one of the numbers in data. So the mode is always one of the numbers in the data. So the data, any number is the mode. The mean is one of the numbers in the data. Now mean, see, we are dividing by the total numbers now, so it can be or it cannot be. So it may or may not. The median is always one number in data. So the median is always the median which you will get, it will be always one of the number in the data. The data, this has mean 9. So what you check it, add all these numbers divided by total numbers, you will get the mean. Okay, let us see question number exercise 3.3, question number 1. These questions are simple bar diagram. Use the bar diagram to answer the following questions. Which is the most popular pet? You can see in the diagram. Which bar is bigger? Cat, na? So we can say the most popular pet is cat. How many children have dog as pet? Dog, you see here, it is 8, na? So answer will write as number of children having dog as pet is 8. Question number 2. Read the bar graph. See the given figure which shows the number of books sold by a bookstore during 5 consecutive, and answer the question that follows. About how many books are sold in 1989? See, these are the years: 89, 1990, 91, 92, 93. So how many books were sold in 1989? If you see here, it is 175. Okay, you have to measure using scale. Okay, in which year about 475 books sold? 475, you can see here, it is in the year 1990. And 225 in the year 1992. So it is simple, just observe the table and you can answer the questions. So in this manner you try all the questions. Okay, I'll provide you the solutions. Questions are easy only, just have to observe the table and answer the questions.